becoming marine electrical engineering students, what will we get? How important is marine electrical engineering in Indonesia? Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. From Sabang to Merauke, Indonesia has more than 70,000 major and minor islands, with an estimated area of 7.81 million square kilometers. Out of this total area, 3.25 million square kilometers is the ocean, and 2.55 million square kilometers is the exclusive economic zone. Even, there is only 2.01 million square kilometers of the land. Of course, professionals are needed in developing the maritime world, especially in the renewable energy sector, electrical power, and generation system. The more we focus on maritime development, the more we must provide sufficient infrastructure and equipment. So, let's follow me and explore Marine Electrical Engineering Study Program together. Welcome to Marine Electrical Engineering Study Program, Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya. As a pioneer of vocational education in the maritime sector in Indonesia, we provide the best education to create a stable and graduated in the field of senior surveyor, managing director, and electrical system designer. Our study program is supported by several doctor and magister to support our vision and mission. Marine Electrical Engineering Study Program is part of the Marine Electrical Engineering Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya.
Prodi Teknik Kelistrikan Kapal berdiri sejak tahun 1987, ditandai dengan berdirinya Diploma 3 Teknik Kelistrikan Kapal dan dilanjutkan dengan diselenggarakannya program Diploma 4 Teknik Kelistrikan Kapal. Sejak berdirinya, Prodi Teknik Kelistrikan Kapal telah menghasilkan ribuan lulusan yang tersebar di industri baik di dalam maupun luar negeri. Adapun profil lulusan Teknik Kelistrikan Kapal diantaranya adalah sebagai seorang Electro Technical Officer, Marine Electrical Engineer, Desainer, konservasi energi, dan juga sebagai seorang entrepreneur. Di Prodi Teknik Kelistrikan Kapal, mahasiswa dituntut untuk memiliki kemampuan dan keahlian praktis di bidang ilmu teknik, perhitungan kelistrikan, elektronika, dan sistem kontrol.
The quality of education has been accredited superior by Indonesian Accreditation Board. To support the development of research and education, there are several laboratories in Marine Electrical Engineering Study Program. This is Instrumentation Laboratory. In this laboratory, students can learn about the measuring instrument and other electrical components. And in this laboratory, students also could solve several cases of high and low voltage. So, welcome to the laboratory. This is a practicum activity in the instrumentation laboratory located on the 4th floor of the G building. Welcome to the physics laboratory. This laboratory has a function to the student for experiment about the physics. It is including electrical circuit, physics swing, Archimedes, and the centrifugal law. There are commonly practicum activities in these physics laboratories, located on the 4th floor of the G building in front of the instrumentation laboratory. This laboratory has many tools to support the practicum of oblique fields, centrifugal force, Archimedes law, physical swings, and many more. Next, we enter the electronic and control system laboratory. This laboratory has a function for the student to learn about electronic and control system. This laboratory is located on the 4th floor of the G building and usually used for practicum in electronics and microprocessor system. So now we are entering Automation and Robotics System Laboratory. This laboratory is provides students to learn about the robotics and automation system in the industry and education. The Automation and Robotics Laboratory located on the 5th floor of the G building. Here is usually used for practicum related to automation system and artificial intelligence robotics. PLC practicum also takes place here as well. And here is the Power Electronics and Electric Propulsion Laboratory. In this laboratory, we can learn about the power electronics in supporting renewable energy and power generation system. The Power Electronic Laboratory is located on the 1st floor of the K building. The practical activities that can be conducted in this laboratory including electrical circuit practicum, and we also can provide a way to understand the characteristic of an electronic component. So, this is Electrical Reparation Laboratory. This laboratory, we can study about the electrical repairs and the motor repairs. We come to the Electrical Repair Laboratory, located on the 1st floor of the K building. Here, we are able to practice ship's electrical installation, generator operation, panel assembly, and much more to do. And next, we enter Electrical Machine Laboratory. In this laboratory, we can learn about electrical motor protection, AC/DC motor rotation, and then 3-phase synchronous and asynchronous generator. And last, we can learn about starting and reversing one-phase induction motors. The last laboratory is the Electrical Machinery Laboratory, located on the 1st floor of the K building. Here, we can do practicum experiment for electrical machine as well as testing and working on tools for final project that takes a topic in the field of power. And we also support the student interest in the social activities through several student work program association so they can develop their non-technical skill in our forum. Electrical engineering students have been awarded several national and international championships in competitions such as scientific work, robotics, English competition, and many others. Electrical engineering has established partnership with national and international educational institutions, government, and industrial companies. The purpose of this collaboration is to improve technical capabilities through joint research, group discussion, internships, and other activities. With all of the facilities and activities in the academic field as well as existing collaboration, more than 80% of electrical engineering graduates are recruited within 6 months after their graduation. And most of the graduation of electrical engineering work in the fields of electrical panels, oil and gas, shipping, mining, education and lectures, as well as industry and many others. So, how you can get knowledge and insight about our study program? Please visit our website.